MRAI, Material Recycling Association of India, the voice of the Indian recycling industry.
Our president, Mr. Sanjay Mehta. In his leadership, MRAI has achieved great success. His strong determination and dedication will surely help the recycling industry to achieve all the milestones. Mr. Mehta is also director of MTC Group, which is a 45-year-old business house having an annual turnover of around more than 7,000 crores.
Since inception, MRAI's vision is to promote responsible recycling in the country so that our nation can achieve socio-economic benefit from recycling industry. It is also a known fact that recycling saves environment, generate huge revenue, and also create large number of jobs to blue-collar employees. In India, recycling industry employs more than 25 lakh people directly, indirectly. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister has announced that all the industry should become Atmanirbhar and should work to become Atmanirbhar. Sir, as you are aware, there is a deficit of good quality scrap material in the country, and we are largely dependent on imported scrap. Because of lack of policies and reforms in recycling sector, most of the domestically generated scrap is collected by unorganized sector and it is segregated and processed in haphazard way, polluting water, air and soil and deteriorating the health of labor. Ultimately, non-segregated valuable scrap is either dumped into landfill or burnt in the open air. Sir, our recycling industry wishes to become Atmanirbhar. Under your guidance, a drafted policy was made 2 years back by Niti Aayog with KPMG, where MRAI was a domain knowledge partner. And sir, since last 2 years, we are constantly following with you and your good office on the status of the policy, and still it is not clear from the few departments in the government of India. Sir, you are our mentor and guide. You can only help us to get through this policy. We request your full support to finalize this policy and get it implemented at the earliest. Once the policy is approved, it will take good number of years for its proper implementation, and then only flow of raw material will come into system. And this policy consists all the suggestions to boost the recycling sector, from unorganized rag pickers to collection yards to organized recyclers. Since we are not represented by the ministry or any departments, during this pandemic, our industry has faced lots of suffering and pains due to logistical and labor issues. During this lockdown, our recycling industry was totally shut because our sector is not defined and it falls under non-essential category. In all the major developed countries, recycling has been declared under essential services, and nowhere supply chain or for recycling industry was disrupted. Sir, recycling industry here in India faced this problem because our industry don't have any MyBAP. We need a robust policy and industry status so the benefits can be passed on to all stakeholders in recycling chain. We also believe that this policy has all solutions what we are facing as a recyclers and give a good direction to are all concerned ministries. Sir, if the draft national waste recycling policy is implemented this year, there will be a huge increase in inflow of domestic government scrap, creating massive jobs opportunities of more than 3 million direct and 10 to 15 million indirect new jobs by 2025. Also, substantial increase in the gross value additions to the economy of about 10 lakh crores, with enormous savings on GHG emissions and energy consumptions and reduced landfills by unlocking the huge land bank for commercial purpose. India will become an energy surplus, water positive and carbon neutral economy. Realizing the value of recycling, China in last 50 years imported duty-free raw material in form of scrap from world over and has become the biggest producers of metals, plastic, paper and other valuable materials that has made China truly Atmanirbhar. Now they are generating sufficient scrap in their country, and also they are exporting finished and semi-finished goods to other nations in huge quantities. Sir, now it is our turn to become the world leader in recycling, through which we can produce finished and semi-finished goods and export to other countries. Sir, we understand that with proper implementation of National Material Recycling Policy, we can achieve all the dreams of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Swachh Bharat, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Make in India, and Atmanirbhar Bharat. And this will also reduce our dependence on finite, non-renewable virgin resources which can be saved for the future generation.